Remember those cool kids in high school who always had the latest gadgets? Well, move over, kiddos, because now your car is about to be the coolest in town. Ever thought that your car, the reliable machine that gets you from point A to B, could use a tech upgrade that makes the Batmobile seem outdated? From jaw-dropping safes to tire pressure wizards and coffee-on-the-go solutions, Amazon's got your ride's tech wish list covered. Welcome back to Car Computer Exchange, fellow car enthusiasts. We're not just about wheels and engines. We're diving deep into the realm of amazing car accessories today. Think of this as pampering your car, but with a sprinkle of James Bond in it. You spend a significant time in your car, so why not make every drive an adventure, filled with some of the most innovative and cool gadgets available. Now, buckle up, both figuratively and literally, as we take you through a journey of accessories that'll make your car go from meh to whoa. In no time, let's shift gears and accelerate into the world of cool car tech. Boosted Safe, the essential guard. It's a frustrating reality many of us face, the silent, insidious threat of auto break-ins. With more people leaving valuables in their vehicles than ever before, there's a heightened risk. Enter the Boosted Safe, an ingenious device that's more than just a secure vault. Seamlessly blending in, it doubles as a booster seat, ensuring both your valuables and little ones have an added layer of protection. A brilliant design for modern problems. Timate, the tire whisperer of vehicle safety, is paramount, and a major part of that lies in those rubber rings encircling your wheels. Timate serves as a vigilant monitor for tire pressure, a critical factor often overlooked. But it doesn't stop there. The sleek display provides real-time feedback, ensuring you're always in the know, and its dual USB and solar charging features affirm its commitment to modernity and sustainability. Cargenta OBD Scanner, the digital mechanic. In this digital age, your car shouldn't lag behind. The Cargenta OBD Scanner provides a deep dive into your vehicle's health, acting as its personal therapist. With impressive features like real-time diagnostic capabilities, location tracking, and mileage recording, it's like having a 24/7 car health monitor, essential for those who believe in preventive care for their rides. EcoX Gear EcoJump, not just a savior but a guardian. We've all felt that sinking feeling, a dead battery and nowhere to go. EcoJump is the knight in shining armor. Beyond its primary function, the integrated hazard lights, ultra-bright flashlight, and a power bank add layers of utility. It's not just a tool, it's a multifaceted emergency kit. With its durable and compact design, the EcoX Gear EcoJump is the perfect companion for road trips, outdoor adventures, or everyday commutes. Its versatility and reliability make it an essential gadget for any car owner. Whether you need a jump start, a light source during emergencies, or a power source for your devices, the EcoJump has got you covered. Topdon TB6000 Pro, the battery whisperer. Battery health is crucial, and Topdon TB6000 Pro ensures you have a deep understanding of your battery's moods and quirks. With the added benefit of an accompanying app, it's like getting a detailed health report in the palm of your hand. Charging, testing, analyzing, it does it all. Never worry about being stranded with a dead battery again. The Topdon TB6000 Pro not only provides essential battery maintenance, but it also offers peace of mind with its comprehensive features and user-friendly interface. Stay informed and in control of your car's battery health with this innovative gadget. Bush Winch Series 2. A power-packed pull. Ever felt helpless, stuck, and longing for a strong hand? The Bush Winch offers a robust solution to vehicular standstills. The kit's components, when assembled, can pull off miracles, turning dire straits into smooth rides. With its powerful pulling capabilities, the Bush Winch Series 2 can effortlessly navigate through challenging terrains and rescue vehicles from any sticky situation. Its durable construction and easy installation make it a reliable companion for off-road adventures, ensuring you never have to worry about getting stranded again. Mosmatic Undercarriage Cleaner, luxurious cleaning. A clean car isn't just about shiny exteriors. The Mosmatic ensures the underbelly of your vehicle is grime-free. With high-impact nozzles and a unique rotating mechanism, It provides a spa-level pampering session for your ride. Escort, max 360C MKII, the ultimate co-pilot. Ever had the eerie feeling you're being watched? On the road, this Sentinel ensures you're one step ahead. Advanced laser radar detection and a range of features mean smoother drives every time. CRKT exit tool, swift safety within arm's reach. When seconds count, the exit tool is there, designed for rapid responses during vehicular emergencies. Its convenient attachment to seatbelts means safety is just a flick away. TerraPump, the modern gas maestro. Gone are the days of cumbersome, messy gas transfers. TerraPump streamlines the process, making it a breeze. And its versatility? From cars to boats to generators, it's got it all covered. With its efficient design, the TerraPump ensures a hassle-free and clean transfer of gas, eliminating any spills or waste. Its ability to seamlessly adapt to various vehicles and equipment makes it the ultimate go-to tool for all your refueling needs. Still with us roadsters? Quick pit stop question. If your car could talk for a day, what's the first thing it would say to you? Drop your answers in the comments and let's get those engines revving again. Key fender. The key to dryness, water, and electronics. An age-old feud. Key fender offers a sanctuary for your electronic keys, ensuring they remain dry, functional, and ready at all times. With key fender, you no longer have to worry about your electronic keys getting damaged by water or moisture. Its innovative design provides a reliable and waterproof solution, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. Whether it's for your car, home, or outdoor activities, Key Fender is the ultimate key protector. We boost drive, reach, braking barriers, boosting signals. Remote areas can mean weak signals. But adventure shouldn't be compromised. WeBoost ensures consistent connectivity, allowing you to venture further without losing touch. With the WeBoost Drive Reach, you can stay connected even in the most remote areas. Its advanced technology boosts signals, ensuring that you never have to worry about losing touch during your adventures. Stay connected and explore without limitations with WeBoost Drive Reach. Konkeko Coffee Maker. Brew on the move a caffeine fix is essential for many. Konkeko ensures that even in the heart of traffic, a fresh brew is minutes away. The intuitive design, with its dual-use lid, redefines convenience. Marvo Solar Phone Mount. Sunlit security phones deserve a perch. Marvo offers that, with the added brilliance of solar charging. Your phone stays put, charged, and ready. No need to worry about your phone dying while on the road, as Marvo Solar Phone Mount keeps it securely in place and continuously charged using the power of the sun. Stay connected and never miss a beat, even during long journeys. Basis Solar Car MP 3-player. Melodies on the move, seamless connectivity, solar charging, and endless melodies. The Basius is every audiophile driver's dream, ensuring every journey has a perfect soundtrack. No need to worry about draining your phone's battery while on the road. The Baseus Solar Car MP 3-player not only keeps your device charged with solar power, but it also provides a seamless connection to play all your favorite tunes, making every drive a musical experience. Rove Viva. Driving in the digital era. With Rove Viva, multitasking takes on a new meaning. Charging, assisting, guiding, it's the digital companion every modern car deserves. Voice-controlled interactions ensure hands stay on the wheel and eyes on the road. Roa Viva integrates seamlessly with your smartphone, allowing you to make hands-free calls, send text messages, and access your favorite navigation apps with just your voice. Its advanced technology ensures a safe and convenient driving experience in the digital era. Alright, auto aficionados, that's the end of our scenic drive through Amazon's gadget paradise. Now, if you don't want your car to give you the silent treatment, or worse, throw a tantrum on the freeway, make sure you stay in the loop with all the hottest car accessories. So hit that subscribe button, rev up those notifications, and let's continue this exhilarating journey together on Car Computer Exchange. Because remember, in the world of cars and tech, there's always a new horizon to explore. and we're your trusty GPS. Buckle up and see you on the next ride.